Next session, a periodic table. Depend upon the last electron enter to the orbitals, like that differentiating electron. The differentiating electron enter to the orbitals. The elements are classified into 4 blocks, like that first one is s block elements, s block elements, and second one is p block elements, and third one is d block elements, and fourth one is f block elements. Now then we started from first one, s block elements. S block elements means, what is meant by s block elements? The differentiating electron enter to the ns orbitals. It is known as a s block elements. The differentiating electron enter to the ns orbitals. It is called as a s block elements. The s orbital is accumulated 2 electrons. This is called as a s orbitals. S orbital is accumulated 2 electrons. Further, which is classified into 2 groups. Now what is that one? That is the first A group and second A group. First A group and second A group. First A group elements is called as a alkaline metals. Now second A group elements is called as a alkaline earth metals. First A group elements is called as a, what is that one? Alkaline metals, and second A group elements is called as a alkaline earth metals. The first A group elements electronic configuration is ns1, and second A group elements electronic configuration is ns2. Totally general electronic configuration of s block elements. What is that one? Is a ns2. These are s block elements are good metals, and formation of ionic bond. Now what is meant by s block elements? The differentiating electron enter to the ns orbital. It is known as a s block elements. S orbital is accumulated 2 electrons, which are classified into 2 groups. First A group elements and second A group elements. First A group elements is called as a alkaline metals. Second A group elements is called as a alkaline earth metals. General electronic configuration of s block elements is ns2. These are the s block elements are good metals, and formation of ionic bond. This is about the next. In this s block elements, lithium and magnesium, those are elements very soft metals. It is information about the s block elements. Once again recall, what is meant by s block elements? The differentiating electron enter to the ns orbitals. It is called as a s block elements. The s orbital is accumulated 2 electrons, further which are classified into 2 groups, first A group and second A group. First A group elements is called as a alkaline metals, second A group elements is called as a alkaline earth metals. So general electronic configuration of s block elements is ns2, good metals and formation of ionic bond, and lithium and magnesium very soft metals. This is information about the s block elements. Then we talk about the p block elements. What is meant by p block elements? What is the electronic configuration of p block elements? Now I write here p block elements. P block elements means what is meant by p block elements? Now once again recall, this is the definition. When we know one definition, we are applied to the remaining same change in only orbitals. What is meant by p block elements? The differentiating electron enter to the p orbitals. The differentiating electron enter to the p orbitals. It is known as a p block elements. The p orbitals are three types. Now how many types of p orbitals? There is the three types of p orbitals are present. What is that one? Px, Py, Pz. Now each orbital is accumulated 2 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many electrons is occupied the p orbitals? 6 electrons. When the 6 electrons are present, which is converted to the 6 groups. They are 6 groups. What is the groups? They are third B2, third A2, 8th A. This is the groups are p block elements. Now these p block elements, what are those is present? These p block elements, metals also is present, and non-metals and metalloids and formation of ionic bond and another one covalent bond and another one covalent bond formation, and another one noble gases also is present. What is meant by p block elements means the differentiating electron enter to the p orbitals. It is known as a p block elements. P orbitals are three types: px, py, pz. When the three orbitals are present in the p orbitals, totally 6 electrons are present in the p orbital. When the 6 electrons are present, it is converted to the 6 groups. Like that, third A to 8th A. These are groups are present in the p block elements. These p block elements, metals, non-metals, metallites, ionic character and covalent character, and also noble gases also is present of periodic table. Now one by one, what about the group? Like that, we write here third group. Simple, we have to write this is the third group and fourth group and fifth group, sixth group and another one seventh group, eighth group. These are the 8 groups are present. What is the third group? Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. These are elements are present in the third A group elements. Then another one, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. These are elements are belongs to fourth group elements. Then another one, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. These are elements are present in the 5th A group elements. Now another one, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Then another one, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Then last group is 8th group, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These are the elements are 6 groups. This is this boron, this the third group elements will be started from boron. It is called as a boron family. It is called as a boron family. General electronic configuration of third A group elements is Ns2 Np1. Now another one, this is the started from carbon. It is called as a carbon family. Now write here their electronic configuration Ns2 Np2. Now these are called as a nitrogen family. Will be started off nitrogen. We called nitrogen family. So it is electronic configuration is Ns2 Np3. Then oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. These are called as a, what is that one means? Chalcogens. What is meant by chalcogens? Those are elements are obtained from their ores. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium. This type of elements is obtained from the ores. That's why it is called as a chalcogen family. Chalcogen family. Now fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. General electronic configuration Ns2 Np4. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are called as a halogens. What is meant by halogens? Halo, according to Greek language, halo means sea, gens means generate. Totally it is obtained from the halo, sea salts. That is, it is called as a, what is that one? Halogens. Totally it is called as a halogens, or what is, it is obtained from the sea salts. Like that, these are called as a halogen family. Electronic configuration is Ns2 Np5. Now helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These are elements are called as a 8th group elements, or inert group elements, or inert gases, or noble gases. Now this is the electronic configuration is Ns2 Np6. Totally last finally we write the general electronic configuration. The general electronic configuration of p block elements. P block elements. The general electronic configuration of p block elements is Ns2 Np6. This is information about the p block elements. Once again recall. What is meant by p block elements? The differentiating electron enter to the p orbitals. It is known as a p block elements. P orbitals are 3, px, py, pz. There are how many groups? 6 electrons are present, 6 groups. 8th, third A to 8th A. Metals, non-metals, metalloids, ionic character, covalent character, noble gases is present in the p block elements. So and so these are elements and group. Boron family, carbon family, nitrogen family, chalcogens or oxygen family, halogens are fluorine family, and noble gases are 0 group elements. These are called as a p block elements. Then we talk about the d block elements. What is meant by d block elements? What are the series are present in the d block elements? This is the next topic. Next continuation will be d block elements. D block elements. D block elements means, what is meant by d block elements? Now once again recall differentiation. D block elements. What about the d block elements means? The differentiating electron enter to the n-1 into d orbitals. It is known as a d block elements. What is meant by d block elements? The differentiating electron enter to the n-1 into d orbitals. It is known as a d block elements. The d orbitals are 5. D orbitals are 5. What are those? This is called as a d orbitals. Simply dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the totally 5 orbitals are present. Each orbital is accommodated 2 electrons, totally 10 electrons are present. When the 10 electrons are present, which is converted to the 10 groups. What are those? The 10 groups are present in the d block elements. The 10 groups we consider. What about that one? Second, third B2, third B2, second B. These are called as a, what is that one means? D block elements. D block elements means here present in the this is the 10 groups are between the S and P block elements of third B to second B. These the D block elements are 4 types of series is present. This is the 4 types of series. 4 types of series is present. What are those means? 3D series. This is the first one, 3D series. It is present in the scandium to zinc. Scandium to zinc. Atomic number is 21. Zinc is the 30 is the atomic number. Then another one, yttrium to cadmium. Yttrium to cadmium. This is about the 4D series. 4D series is yttrium to cadmium. Yttrium to cadmium 39 to 48. Atomic number 39 to, this is the atomic number, yttrium is 39, cadmium is the atomic number is 48. This is the 4D series. Now another one, 5D series. 5D series, 5D series it is obtained, it is 5D series is present in the 5D series is lanthanum to mercury. Lanthanum to osmium, osmium to mercury. It is the atomic number is 80. Mercury is the atomic number is 80. Lanthanum is the 57. Now last one, 5D, 6D series. 6D series. 6D series means actinium. Atomic number is 89. Incompleted series. Actinium. Atomic number is 89. It is incompleted. Incompleted. Now, totally the general electronic configuration. General electronic configuration of D block elements. D block elements is, what you know, n minus 1 into D 1 to 10 or ns2. This is called as a general electronic configuration of D block elements. Now once again recall what is meant by D block elements. The differentiating electron entered to the n minus 1 into D orbital, it is known as a D block elements. Now D orbitals are 5, dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. Totally here d orbitals are 5. Each orbital is accommodated 2 electrons, 5 to the 10 electrons are present. Now totally 10 electrons is present, it is converted to the 10 groups. 4 types of series is present. What is that one means? 3D series. In this 3D series, scandium to zinc, and 4D series, yttrium to cadmium, 5D series, lanthanum to mercury, and 6D series, actinium is incompleted. This is about the information about the D block elements. Then finally we discussed about the F block elements. F block elements. What about the F block elements? What is the electronic configuration of F block elements? Then we discussed about the next topic is F block elements. Now last one, F block elements. F block elements. What is meant by F block elements? Same definition. The differentiating electron enter to the n minus 2 into F orbitals. It is known as a F block element. Now general electronic configuration. General electronic configuration of D block elements. General electronic configuration of D block elements is n minus 2 f1 to 14 n minus 1 into 0 or 1 n plus 2. This is the D F block elements are two types of series. This is the F block elements, two types of series. What is this one? What is the first one? 4F series and second one 5F series. It is called as a 4F series is lanthanoids, lanthanoids, and another one 5F series is called as a actinoids, actinoids. It is started from thorium to lowversium, cerium to lutetium. This is the atomic number 90 to 103 and this is the atomic number 52. Wow, yeah. Lanthanides is cerium to lutetium and 5F series thorium to lowversium. Atomic number is 58 to 71. This is the cerium to lutetium 58 to 71. Now this is the lanthanides will be started from 6th period in a periodic table and actinides is started from 7th period in periodic table. Totally these are the F block elements. Generally oxidation state will be existed plus 3 oxidation state will be existed. This is about the F block elements. Totally we completed the classification of elements in a blocks. Now we draw the structure of what is the construction of periodic table. Now write here simply, that is the construction of periodic table. What about the construction of periodic table? This is called as a S block elements. This is about the S block elements. Now then this is about the D block elements. D block elements, what are those is present? Third B, fourth B, fifth B, sixth B, seventh B, eighth B, ninth B, eighth B, 1B, 2B. Now here first A group elements, second A group elements. Now here P block elements. P block elements, what are those present? Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth are present. This is the lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Now beryllium, lithium, beryllium, magnesium, lithium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radon, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Now oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. This is the P block, S block. Now this is the P block. This is the P block and this is the D block. And another one, this is the two types of series is present, that is called as a 4F series and 5F series. 4F series is called as a actinides, 5F series is called as a lanthanides. Totally we completed the classification of elements in blacks. This is very important question from IP examination, 8 marks question. Once again last thing, మీకు క్లాస్ అర్థమైతే నా యొక్క ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్లో బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ క్లాసిఫికేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటుంది, విల్ బి కంటిన్యూయేషన్. నో ప్రాబ్లం. I hope understood my class. I think okay na.